Shiba Inu is currently 1000% away from its old all-time high. It's at its lowest price it's been in a very long time. Is now the time to buy Shiba Inu for this upcoming bull run starting in 2023. In today's video, I'm going to give you my full price prediction for Shiba Inu in 2023 and this upcoming bull run expected to end around 2026. Smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment and tap that notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest videos. Check out this video description for my trading masterclass that's currently 50% off, and you can sign up with a top global crypto exchange with a massive offer. We're currently looking at Shiba Inu on the weekly time frame. You can see the beginning of price actually comes back here to the 6th of September 2020, but you can see Shiba Inu actually launched in August of 2020, but it launched as an ERC20 token, meaning that it would have launched on those decentralized exchanges and it would not have been on a centralized exchange like we can see right now on Coinbase. So we're just a couple of weeks off of its original pricing back here on this left hand side. But one thing that we can see, this initial price literally pumped up 1500% in a very short time frame. We then spike back down, dropping that entire 1500%. We then spike back up to the upside, going again 1400% again to the upside before having this major crash down to its current price 92% down. But one thing that we can notice is when we really look at the price of Shiba Inu, we can see that this was the initial price that Shiba Inu basically launched at. And when we scroll it over to the right and we look at the latest price, we can see where its initial price launched is right here in this box. And where is the current price? We're actually at the bottom end of this trading range. One thing that I always talk about in trading, the goal is always to be buying low and to be selling high. So if we have a trading range in this area, the goal is to be buying in this bottom section of the trading range, then looking to sell in this top portion of the trading range. So we can see where price is right now. It's in this lower depressed price. We're down 92%. So either Shiba Inu is going to zero from this price, or we have the potential to push up over 1000% to the upside, especially in this upcoming bull run. So we know when the launch of Shiba Inu is. The next thing that I like to do is actually look at the market cap. So we can see Shiba Inu right now is ranked number 16 crypto out of every single cryptocurrency. For the last few weeks really hasn't had that much price action, and you can really see it's just been bouncing in this bottom end of the range. And we can also see that its current market cap is $4 billion. So one thing that we also need to take into account, if we're going to go back to this old all-time high, which is 1000% away, that's a 10x in price, which means that this market cap here would also need to 10x. It would mean that Shiba Inu would need to become a $45 billion market cap coin. When we even scroll up and we have a look at in this level, that would sort of put it around this 5 to 4 level. The thing is when we do have this massive upcoming bull run, Bitcoin is going to double in market cap. You're going to see a lot of these other cryptos. Binance coin might triple or quadruple in market cap. So you're going to see a lot of these top coins push a lot higher, and it might mean that Shiba Inu can maintain the 16th spot while also having a 10x in market cap. But one thing that definitely has that potential to go up to $45 billion market cap. So really the next thing that we do is then scroll into the weekly time frame and try and see, can we actually buy Shiba Inu right now? We know that Shiba Inu is at this depressed price overall at the bottom end of the range, but is it giving the signal for the medium to long term to actually beginning to buy? Well, right through here, we're looking at this orange line through here known as the 20 EMA. I also have the 13 EMA, which is a shorter time frame exponential moving average. The main one I'm looking at is this medium term 20 EMA. We can see that the slope of the EMA is sloping to the downside, meaning it's pointing to the downside like this, meaning that there's high probability of more downside continuation. Whereas if we have the EMA actually trending up to the upside like this, then there's higher probability of more upside continuation. So right now we know that in the long term, term chart, like this weekly, we have more momentum to actually be continuing to the downside. One thing that again that I notice is we're at this bottom end of the range, so this is a good area to be buying. One thing that I do want to be waiting for is just get a small uptick in this EMA, begin into this area here, so probably coming into late 2024 will be the area that I'm probably looking to buy Shiba Inu, because I need to give it enough time for this EMA to flick to the upside. Make sure to subscribe, because I will be releasing that video when it's ready, because I will be purchasing Shiba Inu when it's ready to buy. So once we get that signal that we can buy on this longer term time frame, I will be letting you know. But until then, let's actually look at some potential levels that we can be looking to get out of Shiba Inu once we do get that price prediction, once we do get that price signal to actually get in. So let's actually make a prediction at some prices. One thing that I'm instantly knowing is there is a bit of a support to resistance flip in this area. Initially, we had a bounce in this area where we came down and had a really strong bounce to the upside, probably around 100%. Yes, 105%. So then came back in this area. We also bounced a second time in this area. If I was to come to the daily time frame, you definitely see a nice support zone, but then we definitely cracked through it. So right through here, we've got that support zone. Broke through the support zone, and look at the first level that price came back to use a resistance. It uses support to resistance flip. We then came down, came back up, didn't quite reach as high, but these two prices right through here are very, very similar. They're trying to make this support to resistance flip right here in this price. So that would definitely be one of the levels I'm initially looking to get out of Shiba Inu, at least a small percentage. So let's look at it at the current price into this level. It's about 100 to 150% gain, which would be a great position to just take a small amount out. Maybe take 10%, maybe take something like 20%, roll it into a new coin, but it also gives you the potential to take some off the table. You've made some profits, find a new coin, but also leave enough on the table that when Shiba Inu does have the potential to push up 500 to 1000% higher, then you give it that potential and you leave it enough time. But I also like to be taking a portion of my position on the way up. Reason being is I like to roll them into new coins, but it also is easier to sleep at night rather than having such a high position size. I'd rather spread it out across multiple different coins, give the potential for all these different coins to come out with some news, come out with some really good technicals. So next thing that I'm really looking at is sort of this level through here. We did have a bit of a support to resistance level flip, did have a bit of a wedge type pattern right here in this area, a bit of a 1, 2, 3 type pattern. But again, we can scroll into the daily time frame and it would be a little bit hard to see, but initially, again, we had a resistance in this area. We broke through the resistance. We had support, broke through, used it as resistance, made another massive breakdown to the downside. Again, we could scroll into the daily time frame, but when we do, just much harder to see. It's a lot easier to see on this weekly time frame. But let's just quickly scroll in so you can see. You can see it here perfectly clearly. Initially resistance, broke through, used it as support in this zone, and then broke down, resistance, down, and then resistance again. So you can see how these support to resistance level flips are definitely very, very significant in the market. From that current price point, we're looking at that's a 300% gain from the current price. Again, I'd be looking to get out around 20% here, get out another 20 to 30% here. I'd then have my initial position size back. So I got in with $1,000. That would give me my $1,000 back, and everything that I held on Shiba Inu would then be a free riding position. That's really how I like to play a lot of these longer term coins, when I'm not just day trading them, but I'm buying them and potentially holding them for many months, even a year's time, because of these tax implications and other things that you can look at and is a benefit of this longer term holding. It's fantastic to get in and out and understand the aspects of day trading, but I really like, especially in this upcoming bull run, when we're going to see a lot of these coins just make a 10x. You don't need to be trading these coins that are making a 10x. You need to get your position size in. You need to be holding. You do need to look at some technicals or some potential levels that you can be looking to get out. But from that, you really need to be holding and looking for these big gains, not trading the 1 minute time frame, looking for 1% gains, 1% losses. Overall, we're looking for the last level push back above the old all-time high. It's around 1100% away from its current price. Again, I showed you that it does have the potential to make a 10x in price, around that $45 billion market cap, but to push a lot higher into this massive region here. We'll also see if we were to go up around 2,000% into this level here, we'd need to see Shiba Inu be a $90 billion market cap coin. So again, just need to understand what's realistic. What does Shiba Inu actually do in the crypto community? Can it run to these levels? Does it have enough use cases? Overall, I've given you some levels in the market that look really fantastic, and I'll keep you updated with future videos as I see the exponential moving average begin to tick to the upside. Smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap that notification bell, check out this video description for my trading masterclass, and click the video that's on your screen right now to continue watching my YouTube videos.